Hello, in this video, I want to concentrate on using the feedback feature in Flipgrid. I think this is a super important part of successful Flipgrids, giving students detailed feedback. Sometimes that is video feedback, sometimes that is just text comments. And also you can include a customized rubric all right within Flipgrid, and all this information gets shared with students. In this video, I want to share what that looks like on the teacher end and on the student end. So the first thing to know is that this feedback tab is different than the details tab, where you can add a public comment. You can also add a private comment that would just go to the student. But the feedback tab is somewhere where you can grade the work, for instance, and then email that directly to the student. This has been a really good way for me personally to communicate with students. I also use this grading rubric, and I'm able to customize it depending on the topic so that I can easily grade whatever I'm trying to do. So let me start with the grading rubric. If you click on edit, that is going to update for the entire topic. Okay, so for each topic, you have the ability to customize the rubric. And where are you going to find that rubric? It's all the way down at the bottom under feedback. You would go to customized feedback, and you can have different criteria here. So these are the 4 that I usually use. You could add another. Let me show you how this works. Add a new criteria. Then you want to add the description. And then you give a minimum and a maximum. So how many points is this worth relative to the other things you're grading on? So I'm going to go ahead for this one and just give it from 0 to 10, create. And so now you'll see that that's been added to my bank. And if I need to edit it at any point or any of the other ones, you can just click on the pencil and you can go ahead and update or delete depending on your needs. Then each time you go to create a topic, if you want to use this customized feedback, you just select whichever ones that you want to grade on. So if I just want to grade on accurate solution and detailed verbal explanation, I can be looking for just those 2 things, and then I can go down to update topic. And now when I go to grade and I click on the feedback tab, I can record feedback to the student, and that would just pull up my recorder. I'm not going to do that for this one. I'm just going to go ahead and grade it based on my rubric. So the accuracy of solution, let's say the student got 2 out of 3, and detailed verbal feedback, let's say they got 9 out of 10. And then I can add some notes. And then when all that is done, you can email the feedback, which is what I normally do. You can also copy the link to the feedback and put it in your learning management system if you would prefer. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what the student would receive. If you just give them the link, they would be able to look at it like this, and they would see they got a 2 out of 3, a 9 out of 10, and then here are my text comments. But if I email it, let me go ahead and do that. Then this is the email the student would receive. They would be able to see that feedback link like I just showed you. They will see they got 2 out of 3 on this component, 9 out of 10 on this component, and then they'll be able to see any comments, and they will have a link back to their original video if they want to replay it and hear it again, which is really nice also. So all of that again is available in the feedback tab. Of course, once you start grading, you don't want to edit the rubric anymore. Make sure that you do that at the very beginning, and that is on the topic level that you would add the criteria. So an easy way to get to that is just to go to the topic itself, click on the pencil icon, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you can check whatever criteria from your library that you would like for this specific topic. And if you need to add additional criteria, you can. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Bye for now.